Garlic has been a staple in kitchens for its unique aroma and taste, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Today we will discuss how eating garlic every day can benefit your body in several ways. One of the main advantages of garlic is its ability to improve immunity. If you frequently suffer from colds and flu, consuming 2 to 3 cloves of raw or cooked garlic, or a cup of garlic tea, can help prevent these illnesses. Garlic strengthens your immune system and relieves congestion. Garlic is also effective in preventing heart diseases. It contains allicin and antioxidants that lower cholesterol levels, control blood pressure, and regulate blood sugar levels. To obtain its medicinal properties, it is recommended to consume raw or semi-cooked garlic, as cooking the whole garlic may diminish its benefits. Moreover, garlic is low in calories and highly nutritious. It contains essential minerals and vitamins such as manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. Garlic's antioxidant content protects the body against free radical damage and provides immunity against cancer. Research suggests that daily consumption of garlic can help prevent stomach, colorectal, lung, brain, and prostate cancers. The antioxidants in garlic also support the body's defense mechanism against oxidative damage, which contributes to aging. Garlic supplements increase antioxidant enzymes and reduce oxidative stress, benefiting individuals with high blood pressure. These properties can potentially reduce the risk of brain diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Additionally, garlic promotes healthy arteries by maintaining their flexibility and preventing high blood pressure. It has a positive impact on heart health, particularly in women. Furthermore, garlic's strong properties can slow down the signs of aging, protect the skin from free radicals, and even help prevent or reverse hair loss when applied topically. While garlic offers numerous health benefits, it is important to note some potential side effects. Individuals with asthma should avoid garlic as it may trigger allergies. It is also advisable to refrain from consuming garlic before surgeries or medical operations. In conclusion, garlic provides a range of health benefits when consumed daily. It boosts immunity, prevents heart diseases, offers nutritional value, protects against cancer, slows down aging, promotes healthy arteries, and supports brain health. However, it is crucial to consider any potential allergies or contraindications before incorporating garlic into your diet.